Hi guys! So, for today's video, I'm going to tell you how to use your phone camera as your external webcam for your laptop. So, cause lately, I've been reading a lot of posts on Facebook groups na nagtatanong ano ba yung magandang camera for online teaching, and yung iba sinasabi sold out na daw sa Lazada and Shopee, or yan, out of stock. If you're new to this job, you might be hesitant to buy an external web camera kasi what if nga naman hindi tayo matanggap or other things. Yun. So, maybe you can consider using your phone camera muna before you buy an external web camera. So, if you want to learn how, just keep on watching. First thing to do is you go to your Google Play Store using your Android phone. You search the Droidcam application. Install and open the application. Here you will see a link that you need to open using your laptop's browser. On your browser, open the link that is shown on your mobile phone. Here you can see the features of the application. It is available for both Android and Apple user. Click Download Windows Client. And then click on with Android support. And then you need to install the application. The application shortcut will be located on your desktop. Click it and enter the Wi-Fi IP and Droidcam port found on your phone. Now you can use your mobile phone as your web camera. If you do like this video, go give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe